father. It's my father.
Your father?
You're my father, man. Yeah, you don't remember me?
Nah.
You my father. Yo, you my father, bro.
Bro, I got 2 kids.
I'm one of
I
them.
got 2 daughters. I don't got no sons.
I'm your son, man.
I mean, I wish I had a son, but I don't got no sons, bro.
This is how you left me 5 years ago, man. You said the child wasn't yours.
Who your mother?
You know my mom, man. It's me, bro. It's me. It's me, bro.
That's your father.
Yo, exactly. Look at the resemblance, bro.
Bro,
This is my father,
Yo,
bro.
yo,
You
you're
my father, man. You always
your
leaving out on me,
father,
man. You doing this again, man. You owe me child support money, man.
Nah, bro, they
You my father, bro.
it's getting personal.
You my father.
See, if you would've just came up like-
How for that shit, bro?
Bro, you my father, man. You my father, man.
Hey,
You
bro.
my father.
Back up.
You my,
Hey, bro, get up.
you gonna hit me? You my father.
Yo, I'm not your father, man.
You my father. You leaving me, man. You my father. You my
back up.
father.
Hey, yo.
You my
Hey,
father.
bro, shit. Hey, yo, make it.
Oh, it's a prank, it's a prank. It's a prank. Chill. It's a prank, it's a prank.
Do that shit, bro.
Chill. Nah, chill, it's a prank. Hey, chill, it's a prank. Sorry, mama prank show. Sorry, mama prank show. Hey, yo, cameraman. I'm the cameraman. It's a prank. It's a prank.